Well, alrighty everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back again, we're playing GeoGuessr after a really long time. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start playing multiplayer because it's been a while I've played multiplayer. I've been playing a lot of community maps. You know, there are a bunch of stuff like flags of the countries and a bunch of other stuff. And I think it's actually pretty easy because, you know, I'm already used to it. I've played it a lot that I keep getting the same map and stuff. So we're playing multiplayer today. Oh, I forgot, it's 1v1, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me because, you know, the thing is, the people that I'm playing with, they're like really competitive, they're like really smart. They're not playing for fun, they're actually playing for winning. So, yep, that's the thing. Wait, hold on, why is it not loading? Alright. Wait, hold on, I think that's, oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to guess because... Alright, the thing is, it was a really bad start. So I'm going randomly. Alright. Not too far. Didn't lose any point. Alright, hold on. The thing is, my map's not really loading because there's this thing that's getting updated in the back end, so I'm gonna have to pause this for quite a bit. Because this thing's sucking all my internet. Alright, so we're here and it's... I mean, obviously it's Europe. If you look at the structure, if you look at the country, it's definitely Europe. Small cars, big license plates, small roads. Alright. Alright, what's this? Country. Damn, is that Harley? Alright. Dude, the thing is, these folks are really smart, bro. They know where they are, so... Alright, you know what, I'm just going randomly. Netherlands, let's see. Alright, it was Denmark. Alright. Keep getting far away, but the thing is, he also put it not like very far from the guess, so... We're losing equal points every time. Alright, this looks like somewhere, I don't know, somewhere in Africa. Kinda looks like an African country. Or maybe not, or maybe somewhere in Asia. No, dude, it's Asia, it's Asia. Alright, let me go Malaysia. Malaysia. Okay. It was actually Malaysia. Damn. I mean, I wouldn't really say I'm bad at it. Like, I was really bad in the beginning when I was learning. And now I think, you know, I think I'm getting a little better. Maybe I'm not. Maybe it's just... Alright, this where is HR. It's Hungary. Alright, let me go Hungary. Budapest. No, dude, it was this place. Damn. Oh, there's probably a truck from different countries. Probably a truck traveling from Hungary to this country. And I thought it's Hungary, bro. Come on, bro. It's EU, bro. They can drive. Alright. Vehicles on the left side. Dude, this man is actually really fast, bro. I'm gonna go Philippines. Let's see. Let's see Philippines because it's English. The fuck? Singapore. Alright, that's actually a pretty bad start. Bad judgment. Alright. Actually, really bad start. Alright. Let's go ahead with another game. Let's see. Wait, is that the same guy? No. This guy's German. Dude, the thing is, we're playing GeoGuessr. Most of the time, you're gonna get European country. And these people, they're from Europe, bro. They know all the countries in Europe. I'm not really good at European countries, like guessing them. I'm not. Alright, this language is kind of looks like somewhere up here, maybe Estonia. Or maybe Latvia. Lithuania, maybe. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here. Let's see. The thing is, there's like this thing above S, and then there's this straight line above E. It's like a thing. Yep, it was Latvia. Yep, off with a very poor start. It was a very poor start. Alright, this is America. South America, somewhere. Probably Brazil. I mean, if you see the road, if you look at the infrastructures, if you look at the cars and the license plate, it's like a small license plate. Typically some sort of American license plate. And it's Spanish, so Spanish. Alright, I think I'm gonna lose this one as well. Alright, let's put it randomly somewhere in South America. Dude, it's actually Mexico. What the Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Really? Well, to be honest, I just realized that I'm pretty bad at this game. I'll take back my word that I said at the beginning. That I'm pretty good. I'm getting good. No, I'm not getting good. I'm actually pretty bad. Alright, what's this place? This looks like in Taiwan somewhere because it's English and... Or maybe it's not Taiwan. I think it's Singapore, but the thing is, Singapore is not really like this. So I think it's gotta be Taiwan. Dude, not that I think about it. No, it's right here. It's Malaysia. It says MY. Malaysia. Now, I was gonna say, not that I think about it, I think it's Hong Kong, but it's not. It's Malaysia. I'm put it right here in Malaysia. Let me put it there. Damn, they were speaking Chinese and English and some Arabic language in Malaysia. It's actually pretty cool. Dude, I'm already done though. Already got like 665 points. Round 4. Birmingham. Damn, typical UK. We're right here in the middle. Birmingham. It's the UK. Yep, that's what it is. Dude, I was right here on point, and he put it way far from Birmingham, but still, he only lost like 300 points. That's actually not really fair. That's not fair at all. Alright, this is Russia, maybe. Looks like some sort of Russian language, or maybe somewhere in Central Asia. No, it's Russia. It's Russia. Let's put it right here. Let's see. Alright, dude, it was the Ukraine. Alright, that was GG. That was the GG. That's actually GG. The thing is, I'm actually dumb at this game. Can't really play it. I mean, I'm pretty good at community map, but like when it comes to multiplayer stuff, like competing with real people, dude, I'm pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still learning though. Still learning. Alright, anyway, if you guys like the video, hit me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. The thing is, I play games, and the thing is, I just keep yapping about a lot of stuff, and yeah, the thing is, the whole purpose of this video is that, you know, I keep talking and you guys are listening, and there's like a bunch of stuff that we're reading. So it's really gonna help you learn some English, because English is not my first language. And the way I learn English, I think, you know, just by doing the thing that I'm doing right now, playing games and stuff, you know, keep talking, just read stuff, and, you know, that's how it is. Alright, subscribe to my channel and follow for more.